on, you still get to lay down.
Hold on, Bella. Hold on to that.
Put the hat on.
Look, Bria.
Now look.
Smile.
Oh, you got the hat on backwards. Well, I guess that's the new way to do it. Okay.
Say thank you so much. Bella, say hey, Kathleen fam.
Hi guys. I'm gonna miss Jamaica for real. I'm gonna miss all of you in Jamaica.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
So we're past security and we are, my ear just out of place. Yeah, so we're just gonna get something to eat now and then wait because the flight is delayed for a bit. So we're gonna get some, we're going to say a long bit. So we're gonna get something to eat and then be out of here. Say hey, Bria.
I'm gonna miss all of you and I'm gonna miss all of you in Jamaica.
How long are you going for?
Ask her how long
You
to-
think she's migrating, right?
Yes. Bella, say hey, Kathleen. Excuse me. Let me fix my ear and come back. Sure.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
Say hey, babe. You know, we gotta get the Starbucks. So, our flight is delayed. First by 20 minutes, then by 40 minutes, then by an hour. So let's see what time we're going to reach about the people that F.I.R.E. Brian is giving me a back massage because I spent hours yesterday standing and combing the girls' hair.
Spent hours.
Well, that too. You flung my back out. Spent hours doing the girls' hair, so my back hurts me. You can't even see. Yeah, so we're just waiting. Oh, let me go collect the pizza.
The word says delayed but not denied.
Yeah, Tosha. Yeah, Lord. I'm gonna go collect our pizzas. Here, babe. She's my queen.
2 hours later.
So our flight has been delayed probably 5 times already. We moved from 1 o'clock to now 4 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock something. This is gonna be a long day. Long day.
Two hours later.
Riri, how are you feeling? Stand right here, Mama. Finally.
E-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke
Can I
detector.
record now, Mom?
Doing so.
Ooh. So we're just moving and then we're gonna go up into the air. I see a cyclone right there. That's not my first time going on American Airlines. I've been to America. Me too. It's not a river. Hey, Todd, it's not a river. Yep. The river is over there. You don't see it? Wait, river? Oh, I see it. So river's over there. Oh, yeah, I see it.
Leave that, Bella. Leave that, Tigana. Hold on, you still get to lay down.
Hold on, Bella. Hold on to that. Oh my God.
You're welcome. Oh, we'll have to get you another one.
Here do we have it? Here do we have it?
There we are. Okay.
Thank you.
Picture?
Thank you. Sure. Go brief.
Come on, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Come on.
Let this one be.
Hop in. Hop in. Let me get some lights. Okay. Hop in. You're going to drive. Come on. Let's go. I'll hold your wing. I'll hold your backpack.
Well, I put it right here. Come over this way.
Here, I got your backpack.
So we don't block the
Okay, grab the steering wheel.
We have another
You're
one.
going to drive. Okay, here, put the hat on.
Look, Brian.
Now look.
Smile.
Oh, you got the hat on backwards. Well, I guess that's the new way to do it. I mean, you're hip.
Smile.
Okay. Nope. There we go. That's better.
Smile, Boogie.
Okay, now hang on. We need a hat.
Bella, your turn.
Pull your mask down. Pull your mask
Pull
down.
your mask down, Mama.
Let's get a big smile.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
We need more girls. We need over here.
Yeah.
Let me take a big
Okay, now
hug,
push
mommy.
this button. Push that button.
Whoa.
Both of you smile.
Push it again.
Say
Okay.
thank you so much.
You guys have a good Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Bria. That's a big opportunity you got there.
Look what I got from the pilot.
Yeah, we're gonna pay it on you. Come. You're where? You're in New York.
We're in NYC.
Yeah.
This is the best day of my life.
Yeah, pilot.
Yeah, I got it.
Peter, you ready?
Hey, feel my glove.
Babe.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.